If you think graphic design is just about creativity, think again. AI is here to revolutionize it all. Today, AI isn't just a buzzword, it's a game changer in graphic design. Imagine software that learns your style, suggests mind-blowing layouts, and even predicts design trends before they happen. From automated logo creation to intricate photo edits, AI tools are making design faster, smarter, and more efficient. Need inspiration? AI can generate endless ideas based on your preferences. Struggling with color schemes? Let AI find the perfect palette for your project, but it doesn't stop there. AI can analyze user engagement, helping you create designs that truly connect with your audience. Imagine spending less time on tedious tasks and more on what you love, being creative. So whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, AI is your new design buddy, ready to elevate your work to the next level. Get ready to embrace the future of graphic design. It's not just innovation, it's a revolution. Stay creative, everyone.